Hi, I'm Fish. Thank you for joining me. I have three cameras. I'm going to be using the audio only DJI Mic 2 with the three cameras DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, Insta360 Ace Pro 2, and the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. My test, I hope, may help you out in deciding which camera you like to use. As I talk and share my story to you, and I'm switching back and forth of the three cameras. Let's get started. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I want to use it as now my primary review camera. I think it would do a nice job. It's remote control, and I have long battery life, and it's compact with field of view. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2, give it a fair hand shake. It does also a nice and excellent job. It has a flip up screen, and it also uses a microphone. I could use both the DJI Mic 2 or the Insta360 Air, but I cannot use the noise canceling if I use other microphones unless I use a receiver and or the cable to the USB-C port. On the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, I use any type of microphone with the transmitter receiver, and that is my primary camera. Now I'm going to be stepping back a little bit more from 3 feet. This is about 5 feet, let's say. And the reason I am switching over off of the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, unless I go right back to the camera, I find that I got issues that I can't get used to the DJI or Insta doing my reviews. When I stand in front of the Sony ZV-1 Mark II and I got my hand up, you notice I am blurred in the background, but once I start to move my hand or get it around, sometimes it focuses on the background, then the product, or vice versa, I get blurry. If I come over to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, 18 inches, I could probably get up this close and I could come this far away, and it doesn't matter what I do on a fixed focus lens. If I step over to the DJI, it is again 18 cm. I apologize, 30 cm, 18 inches. I could get up nice and close, and the background is not blurred, or either between the camera to me, it's not blurred. It's also a fixed focus lens. We may call them auto fixed focus today. Now, if I need to zoom in, nobody's going to know the difference of which camera and what I'm doing in the editor. I could zoom in. How much loss of quality when you do 20 to 30% enlarging? Now I am going to back out and I'm going to go about 7 feet over here. And you could get an idea of the three cameras. With the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, it does a nice job. Everything stays locked in autofocus without an issue. With the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the same thing goes. Now, I'm not going to make each video the exact same time, but you got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro as well. The thing is, with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II in a low light situation, let's shut the light off. I am pretty dark. It just adjusted up. To be fair, I'm going to turn the light back on, and you can see the light adjustment. We have issues with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro with spiking. So let's switch on over to the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. With the light off, you notice how quickly it adjusts to the light level, and then with the light on, how quickly it adjusts. Let's move on to the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Turn the light off and see how quickly it adjusts to it, and then turn the light on, and then you get an idea. When I go outside with and I apologize, I'm not going to put it on, with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II in a low-level light shot, and I'm going to show you maybe because I got a video here, that It does a nice job. It does a beautiful job at night time for what I need to do. And the Insta360 Pro 2, I will have to switch on over off of video mode to pure video. And that should get me my shot I need. But with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, I don't have to do anything once my camera's already set up, and is set up right now in the Pro with my settings. And there you have it. The choice is up to you what camera you use that you could tell me that you like best, that does a great job for you, that you don't lose the focus when something is from the camera to you and the background. I don't love the defocus. I hope this video has helped someone out. The thing is, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, it's got the longer battery life, it's got the remote control for the microphone, but it doesn't have noise cancel. It don't have record deletion long press or add on to the file or pause recording, something that I could do with the Insta360 Pro 2. But for right now, I'm going to start to use my DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, get used to it, and if I want to, I'm going to switch on over to the Insta360 Pro 2, and I'm going to just go back and forth with those two cameras. The Osmo Action 5 Pro for the battery life, because of the pause recording and record deletion, Ace Pro 2, average battery life, and of course, I love my Sony ZV-1 Mark II. And on that note, I'm Fish, and I hope to see you on the next video. I hope this video may help myself out to better understand my cameras, what I do, what I can share to you in doing a review. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one. Careful to don't wave that high five. It'll stop your video.